Mother Nature has given us everything that we needed, that we need, that we will need. She has given us the air that we breathe, the clothes that we wear, and the shelter that keep us away from danger. Let us not forget those things which prove her love and care for us.
But what have we done?
We just destroy those things which proven her love and care for us.
We do not deserve her love and care for us.
For we have only repaid evil for her good.
With this, her love for us became anger.
All those calamities, global warming and climate change, are her vengeance against those things that we pay back with the good that she has given us.
Those are our fault, the fault of the people who live in the darkness of life.
We need to make things right. We need to change the way it used to be. We who know the truth must step out and make a difference.
Nature is our only hope.
Be the change.
For the next generation.
We should preserve nature.
For the next life to come.
Believe in ourselves that we can make things right.
We should protect her from danger.
Before the time runs out. Before it ends. Be the change the whole world has been waiting for. Change for the best. And don't